Whether it's a hot water or chilled water system, closed loops can suffer from corrosion, scale, and sludge buildup over time. ChemREADY's closed-loop cleaning service restores your system's efficiency, reliability, and water quality. Closed loops move water through heating, cooling, and manufacturing systems. Over time, even sealed loops can take on oxygen and debris, leading to corrosion, scale, and system inefficiency. At ChemREADY, our process is safe, efficient, and effective for both hot and chilled loops. Here's how it works. We drain the existing loop to remove old water and debris. The system is refilled with fresh water, and we add a cleaning chemical precisely dosed based on the system's volume. The loop is circulated for a set time, allowing the cleaning solution to break down corrosion, scale, and biological fouling. We then drain, refill, and flush the system to remove loosened contaminants. After a final drain and refill, we redose the system with the proper treatment chemicals to restore corrosion protection and long-term stability. Our technicians handle every step with precision, minimizing downtime and ensuring your system returns to peak performance. The result is a clean, efficient, and well-protected closed loop that operates like new. Whether your system supports heating, cooling, or critical manufacturing processes, ChemREADY keeps your closed loops clean, efficient, and protected. Protect your investment with ChemREADY's closed-loop cleaning service, available for both hot and chilled systems. Visit getchemready.com to learn more or schedule your service today.
Thank you for spending time with us and our experts today. We're excited to continue this journey with you. For more water treatment insights and helpful resources, please visit us at getchemready.com. And if you'd like a more personal connection, we're just a phone call away at 1-800-229-6801. We can't wait to connect with you again and explore your water projects together.